Hi, this is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today we'll be replacing the handle on your Panasonic Toughbook CF-C2. It's a pretty simple repair. You don't need to remove the battery or hard drive for this one. You just want to flip the unit over. Start off by removing the two screws on either side of the handle connected to the base. Make sure both sides are unscrewed. Make sure both sides are unscrewed. Once those are off, you can lift the handle up and kind of put it back. You'll see two more screws underneath where the handle slides in. Once that's removed, you can slide out the handle. And now you can replace it. And that's it. You can screw it back in. Make sure that the metal covers are back between the screws and the handle. And you're all done. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.